Welcome back, winners, on this Disney Winter Park Challenge Day. Today we are going to try to hit every single rider line in both parks, both Disneyland and DCA. That is 10 Lightning Lane attractions that offer single rider, and we've only got about 5.5 hours to do it. It's going to be a heck of a challenge. With Millennium Falcon. The Falcon does single and double rider lines. The single rider line for this is usually about 2 minutes. Standby posted 30. I don't see anybody on the glass up there. This should be a breeze. There will be some challenges. Radiator Spring is going to be a challenge, and Critter Coaster is going to be a challenge. Space Mountain can be a challenge, but I'm hopeful. 5.5 hours, 10 Lightning Lanes using single rider only. Let's get into it. Dead walk-on. And we're the only two people in the Falcon. We both get to be pilots, and there's nobody else with us, so a little Disney magic right out of the gate. 9 minutes round trip. First single rider down. We were Marauders, 7,100 points, and we had, like I showed you, the ship all to ourselves. That's fun. On to ride number 2, which I think is going to be Matterhorn. Ray, Chewie, busy today. Rise of the Resistance has reopened. Much more traffic in Galaxy's Edge today. Park is busy in general. Going to be a difficult challenge today. Oh, and stay tuned. I do have some updated information about the ART, the Anaheim Regional Transportation, and the shuttles from the Toy Story lot to the Disneyland Resort. Stay tuned for that. Got confirmation yesterday that Disneyland does in fact intend or is planning to continue shuttle service for now, well, starting March 31st, when the ART is done, from the Toy Story lot to the main harbor entrance of Disneyland. They have not said what that looks like or what vehicles, etc. they're going to be using, but shuttle service will continue. I'll keep you posted as updates come through. Off to the Matterhorn, and this is hands down the longest single rider I have ever seen. This is going to present the challenge. It is right now 2:45. Let's see. Monorail. Monorail. Nice. Objective today is not necessarily to beat standby lines, although I think that's going to be really tough to do with that amount of Lightning Lane and how long this single rider line is. But it's just to document, can you do all 10 Lightning Lane attractions in single rider in 5.5 hours? We're going to find out. 28 minutes to the mixed point. And now I see why. They're only running one side. Ooh, that's put a little monkey wrench in the works. At least it's the right-hand side. Yikes. Wow. Just above you. Oh my word. Look at that. Into extended 4. Wow. That's the longest I've ever waited for the Matterhorn. 50 minutes. Single rider. Holy crap. But that's what only running one side will get you. They are darn near to Galactic Grill. And I don't know how well you could see my screen when I tried to show you there in line. 110 minutes.
Yeah, that's crazy.
110-minute wait time for the Matterhorn. Woohoo! Quick snack break. Little Red Wagon corn dogs. Mama got chips. I got a cutie. And neither one of us have eaten all day. So after waiting in line for an hour, this is a nice break. After a quick bite, we're off to hopefully do Indiana Jones single rider. We're going to check it first in onto Tiana's. Mama has just informed me she's not doing Tiana's today. So I want
to get my feet all wet for the rest of the day.
Yeah, I'll be rolling that one solo. We're going to stop, like I said, we'll check Indy first. Posted 55. Cross our fingers. No single riders at Indy. Off to Tiana's.
Yep.
4 minutes to the mixed point. Single rider was all but empty. 4 minutes. Yeehaw! Last chance. That was all right. 5-minute walk on single rider. That makes up a little bit for the Matterhorn. That's 3 rides in less than 2 hours. We're going to go swing by Indy again, see if they have single riders available. But now I gotta find Mama. Yeah, Vindy posted is 55. It is not that. The bottles here is 40, 45 or so. And that is not full. But we did score single rider. That is, it's 4:37. This will be single rider line number 4. 4 minutes flat. Making up for Matterhorn big time. Hopefully.
The treasure of Mara, glittering gold. It is yours.
21 minutes round trip. Front row, haven't done that in a long time. And look at this. That is a 25-minute wait. Wow. We were 21 minutes round trip, 14, 15 minutes to the boat. But yeah, that's a 25-minute wait now. That'll be a call to action. People will start showing up. It is now 5 o'clock on the dot. That is 4 Lightning Lane attractions doing single rider in 2.5 hours flat. We're gonna run over and do Space Mountain, then it's off to DCA. Oh boy. Standby is posted 50. That is 2.5, 3. Man, that's probably close to 45, 50 minutes itself, but let's give it a go. Normally this is probably a single rider I would say no to, but it wouldn't be a challenge if it wasn't challenging. But we do have movement immediately. That's promising. But each one of these rows is about 12 to 15 minutes, depending on several factors. Lightning Lane, how busy standby is. Standby posted 50. Obviously, I can't put eyes on Lightning Lane. But movement right out of the gate. That's promising. 11 minutes, right on cue. And they take... I got to stand there while the cast member was handing out the tickets, and they take 15 at a time. 15. The single rider line is 100% completely full. I haven't seen this since last summer. 27 minutes to the front. So that's, see, that was 12, and about 5. So yeah, that's still stands. It's about 12 minutes a row. Stage 1, 32 minutes. So pretty close.
SS-77, this is Mission Control. We are initiating power transfer in 3, 2, 1.
Oh boy. Lord mercy! Oh God! Oh Lord! Oh God! Shit! Oh my God! Oh. Okay, that was 47 minutes round trip.
I was in front row.
She was in front row, I was in the back row. I've never ridden in the back row before. It was pretty terrifying. Front row is pretty awesome too. But as you can see, it is now dark. It is 6 o'clock on the dot, and we have 5 more lightning lane attractions to do single rider in 2 hours flat. I don't think that's going to happen. These last 2 have really monkey wrenched things up. But it wouldn't be a challenge if it wasn't challenging. But Matterhorn really threw us for a loop. That was a solid hour, I think.
Oh, yeah.
And for single rider, I mean, our record for single rider on the Matterhorn is 2 minutes. So I really thought that was a sort of shoe-in, but when it's down half capacity, them's the breaks. Friday night, Main Street, 6 p.m. Jamming. Mad influx and almost nobody leaving. Everybody coming in. Wow. This challenge is almost certainly a bust. Wouldn't be a challenge if it wasn't challenging. How many times am I going to say that? We've got less than 2 hours and 5 lightning lane attractions to try to single rider. There's no way. No way. Not when it looks like this. But any day at Disneyland's a good day to meet. Knowing there's no way we can complete this challenge, we're having to pick and choose. Radiator Springs is 110 minutes. Incredicoaster is 105 minutes. Soarin' at 75 minutes. We've only done Web Slingers twice, and both times the ride broke down on us. So we've never single ridered that. So we're gonna do that more for research purposes than anything else, and hope for a clean run. Yeah, there's a dedicated single rider, and it's really obscured behind the umbrellas. It was hard to see. I've never noticed it before. But you come right here, this is Lightning Lane, which is freaking full. But Spidey's is posted 60 minutes. Let's see what happens. Curious. You come in this side door here, and we were 2 minutes?
Yeah.
I mean, it was a 2-minute wait. I'm not sure what the loading process is, but we were 2 minutes to the pre-show. Fantastic.
Brilliant. Oh, Peter Parker.
Hey, what's up? I'm Peter Parker.
Continuing down the back hallway. Weird. Single rider comes out there. Here's the main line. We were 6 minutes and we're riding together.
Yeah.
That's a freaking score. Nice. Is that any good? Felt good. Yay!
It was fun.
Web Slingers was posted, I think, at 60 minutes. We did a 6-minute walk-on, man. We were 2 minutes to the pre-show, and then we got to ride in the same car. That was a freaking win. That was a bonus, and I'd had no idea they even did single rider. So yeah, good for us. We're gonna go put eyes on Incredicoaster and see. It's now 6:42. We've got an hour and 18 minutes to try to cram 4 lightning lane rides in. This is by far the longest single rider line for Incredicoaster I will have ever waited in. Just checking to see if they're loading both sides. And I don't think they are. I think that's the problem. They're still only using one side. Yeah, that right staircase is closed. Huh, it's been that way for a week. That would be why the posted wait time is 110 minutes for Incredicoaster. Don't know why. The Incredicoaster was just opened from refurbishment last Friday, a week ago today. And it broke down, you guys were there, it broke down while we were in it. We got an MEP and we were able to come back later that night and ride.
Front row.
The front row, oh God, yeah, that's right. I will have posted a standalone video of just that 4K POV at night run.
It was
But
awesome.
yeah, it was awesome. But we're making an executive decision. That line is all the way up past the Coco billboard. We are going to go ride Goofy's single rider, and then catch Soarin' on the way out of the park, and that'll probably do it for the night. That'd be 8, right? Yeah, we just did Spidey. That would be 8.
Which was awesome.
That's good. I mean, that's 8 lightning line rides in 5.5 hours.
Yeah.
We wanted to be here a little earlier, it just is what it is. That's the challenge. So I think maybe trying to do these challenges on Friday nights
Yeah, maybe
on
not.
a holiday weekend might not be the best planning on my part.
But realistically, a lot of people come on these weekends.
But that's true.
And, you know,
That is very
makes it
true.
More real.
It's real. But, you know, if you've only got 5 or 6 hours in the park and you can get 7 or 8 lightning lane attractions in, I call that a win. Goofy's is another one I didn't even know did single rider, but I have heard tale that it's the shortest single rider line in either park. Posted 35 minutes. They are just into the secondary switchbacks. But single rider, you go straight up to the freaking platform. Curious. You come right up those stairs. There's the loading point. There's the mix point for lightning lane and standby. And you come onto this ramp and you stand here and wait. And I guess they just feed you in as needed. Be curious to see how long this takes. 6:56 right now. I'll let you know how long it took. Goofy's Sky School of Death. I hate this ride. Single rider on Goofy is 8 minutes.
So much fun.
And we got to ride side by side in the same car.
Again, we got to ride together a lot today.
Yeah, that was a pretty cool score. Gave Mama the option, since we've only probably got time enough for one more, between Soarin' and Cars. And when you go single rider on Soarin', you do have a tendency to get stuck on the bottom on the very outside, and it makes for a really distorted picture. And the last time, 2 times we've done single rider, she got stuck in that very seat. So we opted for Cars. We know that stretched almost out into the wild, the single rider's 30 minutes. Posted 95. Here we go.
Sorry, come on, you'll be
Thanks.
separated. Thank you.
I know I did a whole bunch of line science on this just the other day, but from this tree here, this scraggly multi-branch tree, that was 29 minutes. And that was when Lightning Lane was stretched out, and it was posted, I think, 120 minutes. Gorgeous. So here we go. 17 minutes through the mix point.
Yep.
I'll take that, that's all right. 22 minutes, and we're gonna ride in the same car. That's a win.
So much fun. We won.
Yeah, 30 minutes round trip. And we won, and that's awesome. That was a good run. There was a cute little family.
Yeah.
Some of them their first time, and they got to win. So
Yeah.
yay! But 750, and that's going to do it. That's 8 Lightning Lane attractions, all single rider, in just under 5.5 hours. 5 hours 20 minutes, and that's the best we're going to get to do today. I'll take it. 8 rides and an afternoon in Disneyland, and home by 9 o'clock. We'll do that. Alrighty. Web Slingers is closed.
We did that right.
Yeah. That's only the 3rd time we've ever ridden, and we had a great run. Let me know in the comments if that was a good score. I saw people, we had over 600,000. There were people had over 1 million points
I know,
today.
That's kind of crazy. I was like, how? I can't even tell if it knows what I
But the first 2 times we rode Web Slingers, it broke down on us. So that was a full clean run, and it's broken down again. So that's glad we squeezed that one in. And we haven't done this in a hot minute
I
for
know.
the ride or walk home.
Wow.
Chomp. Alrighty, gang, that's going to do it for us tonight. We'll put eyes out for the monorail. But you've seen that a couple of times today. Calling that a win, even though we sort of failed our challenge. It was still a winning day for both of us. We really enjoyed it.
Oh, yeah.
We'll take it, and we
A lot
will,
of fun.
we'll see you winners later.